Okay, so first of all, I will select everything and go to Insert and insert a 2D clustered column chart. Then I will double click on one of these bars to open up the formatting pane and change the series overlap to be 100%, so all of the bars are overlapping. Then I'll change the gap width to 50%. Then, because some of my numbers are negative, I need to select the vertical axes and go to Axes Options and Horizontal Axes Crosses and change the axes value. And in my case, I will change it to -10 because all of my values are greater than that. Then we'll change the color of the bars. So for the bars at the bottom, I need to change these to be white so it looks like there's nothing there. The next bars are for the coldest temperatures, so I'll make those dark blue. Then we have the cooler temperatures, so that will be light blue. We have warmer temperatures, so that will be light orange. And then the hottest temperatures I will make dark orange. Then I will make this chart bigger and delete the grid lines and delete the legend. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to make a range chart in Excel, and that is everything.